of versus made from. The desk is made of wood. It is made of gold. Wine is made from grapes. Bread is made from wheat. The wall is made of stones. It is made of paper. The box is made of wood. It is made from fruits. It is made blank plastic. Drop your answer in the comment section. Every day I eat. Yesterday I ate. Tomorrow I will eat. Every day I drink. Yesterday I drank. Tomorrow I will drink. Every day I run. Yesterday I ran. Tomorrow I will run. Every day I sing. Yesterday I sang. Tomorrow I will sing. Every day I drive. Yesterday I drove. Tomorrow I will drive. Every day I call. Yesterday I called. Tomorrow I will call. Every day I use. Yesterday I used. Tomorrow I will use. Every day I cook. Yesterday I cooked. Tomorrow I will cook. Every day I study. Yesterday I studied. Tomorrow I will. Drop your answer in the comment section. Anytime I have. Last year I had. Every time I have. Next summer I will have. Sometimes I have. Last night I had. Tomorrow I will have. Every day I have. In 2035 I will have. In 1960 I what? Drop your answer in the comment section. I'm capable of it. I'm serious about it. I'm ready for it. I'm familiar with it. I'm bad at it. I'm proud of it. I'm excited about it. I'm grateful for it. I'm responsible for it. I'm good at it. I'm afraid blank it. Drop your answer in the comment section. Walk with me. Speak to me. Dream about me. Laugh at me. Proud of me. Apologize to me. Wait for me. Smile at me. Hear from me. Stay blank me. Drop your answer in the comment section. Present, past, future. I go, I went, I will go. I do, I did, I will do. I see, I saw, I will see. I have, I had, I will have. I ask, I asked, I will ask. I give, I gave, I will give. I get, I got, I will get. I say, I said, I will say. I sit, I sat, I will blank. Drop your answer in the comment section. In, on, at. He works in the bank. We met on Sunday. She is at school. I was born in 2002. The picture is on the wall. He arrived at 7 p.m. She is blank the bus. Drop your answer in the comment section. Present, past. I tell, I told. I can, I could. I win, I won. I wear, I wore. I lose, I lost. I break, I broke. I send, I sent. I feel, I felt. I spend, I spent. I become, I blank. Drop your answer in the comment section.